All right, so can you see me? Can we see? I hope this don't focus too much. We're gonna try to keep this at a minimum, probably like 5 minutes. So this video is for correct me if I'm wrong. I think you in the video and I remember your dad saying it too, because I'll be like bad with names and stuff. And I only met you like a few times too. Quayle, I think. Leave it in the comment if I mispronounced it, but I apologize if I did. But I liked that name too. As it may be, we're going on the list of names I may pick for when I have more kids. That's a cute name. I like that name. But so she wants a YouTube channel, and remember last week she came to me, and she just did like a little interview, because I think she did. No, she didn't post it on her channel yet, because I didn't get a notification yet, because I had the bell button for her channel, because I subscribed to her channel. And pretty much 9-year-old, same age as my daughter, and just, I guess I inspired her. She wants to be, as her dad said, she wants to be a YouTuber. So this video is not just going to be for her. This video is going to be for everybody. Just going about getting subscribers, growing your YouTube channel, and pretty much what I did. I try to keep it real brief. So just so it be known, I'm not better than anybody. If anything, I'm humble. There's people like way, like, my channel was small. Just let's just say, because maybe in the next day or two I'll be at 7,000 subscribers. So I felt like you probably like advice from someone like greater than me, but I don't know how to put it, because I'm not belittling myself. I just felt like I don't need any recognition or nothing like that, or whatever. I don't know. So you want to know how to grow your YouTube channel. So consistency is key. Consistency is definitely key. You ain't consistent, then your channel's not going to grow anywhere. And what I mean by being consistent, you need to eat, sleep, and poop. I want to keep my language down. Eat, sleep, and poop YouTube. Meaning, like, just you better digest that. Like, just YouTube. When you wake up, you think about YouTube. When you throughout the day, I know you may be in school, or I know people at work, they can't have time or whatever. Like, or as soon as when you done after work, be on it. Upload once or twice out of the week, maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 times, once a day. Some people post every day, literally. Just don't be out there saturating, just putting out like a lot of videos, because it's just not gonna like look good for your channel. And just leave space for like other YouTubers to like put videos out there too. And you don't want every video you post ain't gonna be like not going to be like 1 million views or like 1,000 views. Some videos may not do good. Some videos may do good. Just, I don't know if did I say that right. I don't know. Let me say it again. Some videos might not do good, and some videos might do good. So it all comes down to just you having your fundamentals down on YouTube. That's another thing. You need fundamentals. When I say fundamentals, you need to know how to title your video properly. Just fill out the description part. Make sure you fill out, reply back to like comments and stuff like that. Make sure your SEO. When I say SEO, search engine optimization, make sure you Google it. If y'all know what that is, make sure you know what it is after this video or whatever. Search engine optimization, meaning you need to optimize like, certain like keywords. You need to do whatever it is, like far as tags and stuff like that, or words that you use like in your title, in your description or something like that. It could be words that's in the comment section or something like that. These are keywords that is you're gonna be using that makes your video relevant, like key tags. Maybe in another video I'll talk about tags and nothing like that. But I mean, I'm not no expert in tag. I guess I could have some experience, because I do got a video that's at 500,000, like 500,000 views or whatever. So maybe I do know something about tagging a little bit. I don't know, whatever. Like I said, every video ain't gonna hit. You may have a couple videos that hit. Maybe the videos don't hit right away, but they hit later down the line. That's how my channel works. I already know that. Just to give it a minute to cycle through, maybe in like 2 months time, or like 2-3 months or whatever, I'll start, most of my videos start going over 1,000 views or whatever and stuff like that. But we all know what my channel is for. I do how-to stuff, like, so for cars, I teach people, like, show people how to fix such and such on your car or whatever. So that's where my content comes from. So you need content, definitely. You want content, definitely. So don't have your head like high out in the water thinking that you're going to be getting 1 million subscribers, or not saying that you won't. You probably will. You don't know that, but just play the lottery, because you might win, you might not win, whatever. So whatever. So just set like a low goal. Like when I first did my YouTube channel, I didn't even, like, having 1,000 subscribers didn't even seem possible, whatever. So I just set like a small goal. I did getting to 100 subscribers. So getting to 100 subscribers is hard. I guess for me it is, or whatever. But let's just say I got how-to videos, I got content. So just starting off at first, it takes a while before the training wheels come off or whatever. So you kind of gotta like grind it out. So if you got some content, you're getting some type of traction, meaning you're getting some type of traffic coming to your channel, that's a good time to keep posting more content. So that's pretty much what I did. So I pretty much spent the whole year just being consistent, up late at night, wee hours in the morning. I didn't want to hang around nobody. I didn't want to be around nobody. People try to invite me, then I really didn't want to come out like that. If I got off of work, went straight home, edited videos, or I went to sleep and taking a nap, knowing that, you know, with the intentions of waking up to edit some videos and getting some videos, like, you know, I will be hyped when I go to work. I'll just make a goal to, all right, I'm going to record this type of job on this car. No, I can't do this job because somebody already did it. Many times I missed out on a bunch of great content that I could have posted, but I just didn't have time, or maybe I didn't feel like it, or for the most part, I just didn't have time or whatever. So I try to pick, like, here and there. This chair is like fucking rubbing on the back. Here and there, I just pick like what I'm gonna do, and just, I don't try not to go a week without posting. Have I ever done that before? I think I did, maybe once or twice. I think one time I went a whole month without posting or whatever. Maybe a couple times I did that, but for the most part, I think I've been kind of somewhat partially consistent. Maybe my first year, I felt like I was consistent a lot. I made it a goal. I want 100 videos and I want 100 subscribers. I guess I made it like, I guess for every video I posted, then I'll gain a subscriber. So that was my formula right there. So maybe stupid, but just know that you could like that type of formula, but you need to know that it could be more subscribers you get. You don't have to be, you know, 100, like how I just broke it up or whatever, like 100 views, you know what I mean, 100 subscribers, and I'm like confusing myself because I'm like, just bear with me when I be like babbling, just be just talking a lot. So just what I say, 100 views. Just focus on just focus on getting 100 subscribers, just 100 subscribers, and that's grind it out. Don't be posting anything. Just, I see some people just, they be like following me, subscribe to my channel, but then when I subscribe to their channel, it's either I like it or I don't like it. If I don't like it, it's because you have something on it that I don't like, excuse my language, but I don't like that shit. Like, it's not on my taste. You don't get my attention or whatever. So you always want to get somebody attention. Like, people, like, they like when they come to my channel, because from the rip, like, I'm hyped. People like my enthusiasm. Like, I got a bad mouth. I curse a lot or whatever. Like, that's what works for me or whatever. So maybe I know, like, who's this guy to be giving advice? Who's this guy to be saying such and such? Who's da 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 da? Like, listen, like, my channel's pretty much like, it's sustainable because of the content I got. I call it like back royalties, because I'll be getting like most of my, like, my videos that really like that's doing well for me, that really like that's paying, like, it's the ones I did from 2 years ago. So I consider it royalties, because I guess if these cars are still rolling around here, and I can see it within the next 5 years or the next 10 years, I'm still going to be getting paid for this the content I got, because, you know, these cars are going to be like driven, like, and they made cars better now, that people probably won't have these cars longer than that how back in the day they used to keep their cars. So I'm just saying. So made myself relevant. Just let me focus real quick. I made myself relevant. Just wanted to be around. I wanted to be just in a YouTube community. You don't have to be a specific community. You just want to be a YouTuber, period. So you just gotta have that in mind. You want to be a YouTuber, think like a YouTuber. Don't worry about the money. The money gonna come, because like if people watching your views, like you get people watching your shit, like you getting views. Excuse me, like people watching your channel, you getting views. Like, you know, you don't get paid from subscribers too. It's gonna be watch time and views. So the longer they watch, longer watch time minutes you get, and the views too, that counts. Excuse me, getting the audience, you know, just having some type of retention going on. You good. Hold on. So you gonna be in there like swimwear and shit. Like I'm like, just be consistent. Be consistent. Like, just you starting off. Worry about getting your what? Set 1,000 views goal. Set small things. Don't set it up high. Like, I know, am I ever gonna reach 100,000 subscribers one day? I would like that YouTube award thing, just, you know, just to put it on the wall, just to be like, yeah, I'm like, you know, YouTuber, just to be hype or whatever and shit. Like, let me start talking shit or whatever. Just being real. But I probably won't even hit that. I probably next couple years probably be like 50,000. Probably won't even peak no more. But I feel like someone like me, and like just keep delivering content, keep bringing content to the table. I feel like I don't have to worry about like just subscribers, because like just keep doing what I'm doing, and I don't have to worry about anything. That's the part that makes like everything like sustainable or whatever for my, you know, channel or whatever. So don't worry about subscribers just yet. Worry about content. Like, be searchable. Don't just post a video and then think that someone's gonna find you. Don't work like that. If someone's looking for something, or they need help for something, or whatever they're searching for, you need to be that person that pops up. You need to make it a goal to come on the first page of YouTube, like the first search page or second page. I always wanted to find posted videos that no one really posted, or they didn't do good, and I wanted to be in the first, like, you know, first page or whatever. So just made it. I would just focus my first year. Like, I ain't interact with nobody on YouTube, not the community, not nothing. I just grinded it out. I felt like I could have had more subs, definitely, if I avoided like avoided drama, YouTube drama. Stay out of the YouTube drama, definitely. And just my profanity. I already know that. I feel like those two things kind of like bottled my channel a little bit or whatever, but it's starting to open up, and just the number of subs just be fluctuating, like just it changes every day. I can't call it. I just whatever. I'm cool about 4 or 5 or 6,000. I get like between 4 to 7,000 views, 4,000 to 7,000 views every day. It changes, so the average is not even an average. The numbers just change constantly as the views change or whatever. So every month I'd be like, what, at 130,000 views for the month, and it takes a while. You gotta like it builds. If I showed you the views as the like lifetime, so I'm at 2 million lifetime. I'm at 2 million channel views, or I just say that. Well, I am at 2 million channel views. So the time I started my channel, and it's like the waveform is real small, and then it gets up, and then it goes up, and like, you know, that's where this is when I started, and this was where I'm at now. So a lot of you not. Every month you make progress. Just every month. Don't worry about getting paid, because getting paid, like, I worry about your content and being consistent, because all of the other benefits come with it. Like, just they changed the whole rules with YouTube or whatever, and you need to like have at least 1,000 subscribers, 240 watch time minutes or something like that. I think that's 4 hours total of people watching your videos. Correct me if I'm wrong or whatever, but you need to have some type of traffic. You need to prove to YouTube pretty much that you're capable of capable of monetization. Like, you can make some money for them. If you can't make no money for YouTube or whatever, and you gotta they call them like people like bad actors and false channels or whatever. Like, you just don't fall in that category and you be good. But for the most part, just you meet their criteria through time automatically by being consistent and just making yourself relevant, and just don't just be posting anything. So that's all I got to say. Hope that was really helpful. And anybody, any questions, comments, whatever, leave it in the comment section. And again, I'm just a small channel, but I mean, every day, like, it changes. Every month it changes. It goes up. I mean, as I'm estimated, maybe in the next 6 months, because the way amount of subs I get every month, I kind of calculated. And Social Blade kind of did an estimate, but when I watch my own through the Creator Studio app of how many subs I gain every month. So within the next 5 to 6 months, I'll be at 10,000 subscribers. So I guess that'd be something more to talk about when I get to that point. But for the most part, like, I guess I'll just be open about just being helpful with the channel, how you helping people out with their channel and how it works out for me or whatever. That's the least I could do or whatever, help people out. So set small goals, be consistent, have content. Don't just post anything. Be relevant. Get your fundamentals down packed. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be golden. You're gonna be Gucci. You need to eat, sleep, poop, YouTube, all that, and just I'm just trying to. What else advice could I give? Like, I'm 16 minutes in. I didn't mean to talk that long or whatever. But just be consistent, and your editing to get better through time. It'll get better. It'll get real better. You just gotta. You found your style. Like, I bet you within the first 50 videos, you're gonna be from the first time you started into the 50th video, you're gonna be a total different editor. Like, a lot of you not. Once you get to 100, you have more fundamentals. You'll know little tricks and stuff. I remember my thumbnails. I felt like I wasn't that good at making thumbnails at first, but then through time, you just like learn. Like, now I can, like, I do thumbnails the way I want it now, and then I think about changing my style more or whatever. You just learn through time or whatever. Just keep set small goals for yourself. Be consistent, and that's all I got to say. And once again, who am I to be? I'm not better than nobody. I'm just a small YouTube channel trying to help other YouTubers, just how it works for me or whatever. Maybe I could talk my shit and act like I'm somebody when I get more subscribers. Maybe at like 15,000 subscribers or 20,000 subscribers, I'll be head over heels, or probably, I don't know. Maybe I said that wrong analogy, or I'll be on my high horse. That's what I meant to say or whatever. I don't know what the hell is I talk about, whatever. But I'm done talking. I'm not even going to edit this video. It's going to be a straight upload. And yeah, so normally I clip the beginning and ending, like with me pointing in the video or whatever. But I just keep it at that. And yeah, I just going to directly upload it like right now. So I'll holler at y'all.